Was my favorite tool until it broke on me. I had it for about 2 weeks and did about 5 jobs with it, and the nozzle just came off. Like, it just clean came off, as you can see in the video. I thought that's how it was. I realized that it wasn't. I asked another detailer on what he thought, and he said that he had the exact same one. He had 3 of them. He ran through 3 of them really fast, and they all kept breaking on him. And then he switched over to this one called, well, it's the same thing, Tornador, but it's from the Rag Company. That's what I have here. It's the Rag Company, right? It's great. I love this product. It hasn't broken on me. The plastic's actually a lot thicker, a lot more durable. I can feel it at least. I can feel the difference. I love it. This is what I'd recommend if you want to get a Tornador of any kind. The one that I had was cheap. I also asked the detailing shop on why he sells these and not the ones that are on Amazon, that are those. And he said that everyone kept coming back and asking for a refund because they were complaining about it breaking on them. So if you're looking for the Tornador, I would recommend getting this one from the Rag Company.